For our second night in Namibia, we pitched our tents at Halali Camp, an iconic area within Etosha, renowned for its proximity to a waterhole accessible with a short walk. From an elevated position, it is possible to closely observe the wildlife coming to drink, an unmissable opportunity for those who love to experience nature in its purest state. The benches placed around the waterhole offer a privileged and dominant observation point, allowing guests to relax and, with a bit of luck, witness exciting scenes from the comfort of their seats. Our game drives always started at dawn, so we were able to enjoy the magic of the waterhole only after sunset, a time when the atmosphere is charged with mystery and nature reveals its most hidden protagonists. I must say that we were quite lucky in the sightings. Although I initially intended not to share this experience, as I do not have bright lenses with me and therefore do not have detailed images, a special event made me change my mind. Two majestic rhinos appeared at the pool, and what happened between them, a spectacular clash with horns clashing loudly, touched me deeply. Whether it was a fight for hierarchy or a complex ritual, it was a moment of pure power and beauty that prompted me to publish at least this sequence, because some experiences deserve to be shared, even if not perfectly immortalized.